Hi, my name is Kunal Kanwar, and today I'm going to be talking about my conics project. So as I said before, today I'm going to be talking about my conics project. Now the name of my conics project is called 4 Solar Systems. Now here's why. As you can see by looking at my image, you can see that there are 4 different solar systems. One on the top, one on the bottom, and then one on each side. Now, as the project stated, I need to use at least one of each conic in a meaningful way, and that's exactly what I did. The first conic that I used was a parabola. Now, the parabolas were for the orbits as well as for the rings for each of the planets, and they played a huge role in the foundation for my image. The next conic that I used was a circle. Circles stood for the sun as well as the entire boundary for the project, and they were very important in that way. The next conic I used were ellipses, which were used primarily for planets, as you can see. And the last conic that I had to use was a hyperbola, which was mainly there for design purposes as well as for creating solar system essence. The two equations I want to talk to you about today is number 1, a parabola, and number 2, a circle. So the parabola equation, as you can see over here, is negative y squared equals x. Now this is a very important equation because it represents the foundation for the entire image. Now I use this equation as a basis to make each of the parabola equations for all 4 sides, and I wanted to make sure that this equation was used because it allowed me to make sure that there was an equal amount of space between each parabola, creating a proper symmetry. The last equation I want to talk about is a circle equation. Now, the circle equation, I just use a basic circle equation. For example, one is right here, and I basically use that to shape the entire project so I would get a good size value. Now, the last thing I want to talk to you about is the systems of the equation. So I have multiple systems here. The main ones that I'm going to be focusing on in my project are the one with the circle and a line, as you can see over here, and the other one with 2 parabolas right here, as you can see. And quickly, as you can see, part of the project was to use your name in it, and I wrote my name using not only lines and parabolas, but I also used an absolute value for the A and for the K. And so that's about it for my conics project, and I hope you like it.